CBN family, what's good? So look, right, I want to give you this quick message. I ain't gonna be long at all on this day. Just fresh out the gym, braids fresh out my head, but we gonna roll just exactly how it is, right? So look, I want to ask you something real quick. Are you the one that's in your own way? Like, do you have self-limiting beliefs, or do you not believe in yourself or your service enough to the point where it's costing you money? I'm gonna give y'all a quick story real quick that to kind of help you see where I'm going with this, because it could be the same thing that you're doing in your company that's holding you back, right? So I was helping somebody. I was doing a consultation, and I was helping somebody do a RFP for a big high-rise skyscraper building, right? So they got to clean the whole building and do all of the windows too. It's a whole glass building from top to bottom, right? And so for the glass cleaning part of it, the client of mine had this great idea where they were thinking, you know what, we could use a drone company instead of doing it the old-fashioned way with the lifts and all of that. We would just get a drone company to go up there and do it. And so the client came to me and they told me that they was like, well, I really want to use the drone company, but they don't sound like they're too confident. So, but we're gonna see what they come up with though. And that the client was like, well, I'm not sure if they, like, I don't want to, put them in a situation if they're not even sure. So if they ain't sure of their service, then how can I be sure of them? You know what I mean? And so, long story short, as I was going over the RFP with the client and helping them figure out if the, what it be the numbers and profitable and all that good stuff, the drone company called back with their quote. And so I was actually able to, ironically, since I was there, I was able to talk to the drone company myself. And so after speaking with the drone company myself, they said that the problem was because of certain type of clearances and all that good stuff, ordinances with the city, that type of stuff, they couldn't go over a certain height. And so I was like, well, is it a certain height, or is it that you're just not confident within going up higher than that? They were like, no, it's the law. And I said, okay, bet. Well, how about this? Why don't y'all just go up to the height that y'all can go, and then we'll get the old school way to do it from there? And they was like, well, nah, because we don't want no drip down. You know what I mean? They gonna mess up our work, and then next thing you know, they're trying to say that we ain't do our job right. I said, well, that's an easy fix. Get the people to start from top to bottom. So they go first, get out your way, and then you come in and you go down from there. And they was like, oh my God. And I mean, like, so genius, right? And so, long story short, going back to my original point, is this. They went into it, I think they were probably overwhelmed. They probably never had a job that big, and they probably just ready to talk themselves out of the deal. They were looking for ways to prove why they don't qualify for the money, instead of looking for ways to figure out how they can get to the money. And so a lot of times that's what we all do, is like, you want to find a way to get yourself so you can stay in your comfort zone. You don't want to step outside your comfort zone because you're scared you might mess up, or you're scared it might be hard, or you're scared you might fail. When in reality, all of the magic is outside of your comfort zone, right? So said all of that to say this. Are you in your own way? What is it that you're afraid of? What are you talking yourself out of? Like, if you go to a big walkthrough today, 100,000 square foot building, would you automatically go in and be like, you know what, it's too big for me, we can't do this, I ain't got the staff to do this? Or would you get resourceful and say, you know what, let me reach out to the Clean Biz Network. Let me hit up AJ and ask him, can he send out a blast and see if he can help me find some people? Let me, you know what I mean? Like, figure out a way where you can get resourceful. You know what I mean? Get out here in the city and literally hop on Google and just call other companies. Hey, we got this opportunity for a super big job. My company is not quite able to staff it, but I want to see if you guys might want to partner on this deal. And y'all sit down and negotiate some numbers on it. You know what I mean? But don't get yourself in a position where you feel like you're so small, where you don't believe in yourself enough. Because start with your self-belief first, because your business only can go as far as you go, right? But start with, sorry, I had to turn the AC on, so y'all might hear that noise in the background now. But it start with you. What do you believe? You know what I mean? If you don't believe that you can do it, then you ain't gonna be able to do it. And then it's like, okay, well, if your company can't do it, all this hair product sweating all on my face. And then if your company can't do it, it's like, okay, well, what can we do to get ourselves to the point to where we can? You know what I mean? If that's what you want to do. Now, I can see if this is something that you don't want to do, but most of the time we want to get to the bag, right? So why not go ahead and make the adjustment, figure out what you got to do so you can get the job done. So that's all I came to say to y'all today. I told you it won't be super long video. I just miss y'all and give y'all a video in a good long time. And so I had to hop on here. And for those who don't know, because I didn't even say it, I'm AJ Simmons. I'm founder of the Clean Biz Network, and I am the cleaning business GOAT. We help people start, grow, and scale commercial cleaning companies better than anybody else and have been doing it since 2014. So if you're interested in seeing what we got to offer, you can check out www.cleanbiznetwork.com. That's www.cleanbiznetwork.com or www.cleanbiznetwork.app, and see all the different ways that we can help you grow, start, or scale your commercial cleaning company. And that's what I got for y'all, man. Make sure you hit the like button, comment below if this video helped you, and let's get it, man. Don't be scared to go get that bag and step outside your comfort zone.